forgot my glasses in
Oh,
the
I'll
car.
get it.
Now will he keep our drugs secret?
Hey, hang on.
It turns out Nate Azamir just cannot tell a lie.
Yes? Nate,
What if you messed up her car? You can't just go with it.
oh my gosh.
Scratch on your car?
I
No,
don't
I don't
think
think
so,
there's a
but-
scratch.
Are you sure he did it?
I told him. Look. No, you didn't.
I'm going to call the police.
Things are getting serious now, and AZ pretends he's the one who's gonna suffer.
Why did you guys have to say something? You know what you did wrong, right? You're trying to cover it up. Once you tell her what happened. I could actually get fired. I don't know what to tell you, man. You should have thought about that first. But you hit her car. She needs to know. That's her for her. She needs to know.
All right, break it. Here we go. Hi there, how are you?
Hi.
I'm John Quinones with the TV show.
I thought that's what it was.
What were you thinking?
You said that you had a rough night last night. I'm like, wow, maybe you shouldn't be working.
And you was like, don't say anything.
No, not that don't say anything, but maybe we could have done it differently. Quietly tell the lady that everybody's involved, everybody's watching.
Wait a minute, Bear.
That's right. And they won't be the only
Come here, Bear.
ones watching.
Come here, Bear. Come here.
Who put this? Hey, can you guys
Bird.
just, like, not say